Now we can see how to insert the record. This tutorial OD, I will put the integer number 3, maybe I will put 2000, restore call. The data is inserted, connected successfully. What I did, I inserted the car name, model and price. This tutorial mainly useful for how to insert the records here. How to insert. This is my, first I will explain, this is my car table. Clear? This is my car table. You can see the third car is added here. Third car is added. Already I have 2 records I inserted. What time I inserted now? Today I inserted this time. Current time. Why I am not giving car ID? Car ID is auto increment. I will explain this table structure. This is my table structure. Car table structure. CID, this is my primary key. Can you see? Primary key it is. It is automatically incremented, auto increment. That's why I am not entering any value. Car name I entered. Model I entered. Price. All are integers. Here not null. It should be, yes, it should be not null. It is not null. It is required actually. Here this is registration date is current timestamp. What is current date? System date. It will take. So that's why I am not entering. I am entering only 3 field. Actually 5 field by entering 3 field. This is my database name. Already another database called buses. Correct or not? This is my database name. Table name is called car. Database is name is called ex1. Hope everyone understood. How I created this database, what are the things I did? I will explain now here. First point, how to create database. Create database ex1. Point number 1. I created database. After creating database, I create the user in the database. Create user, use1 at localhost. Identify by password. Create user, my username is what? us1. Localhost is this system. Whatever my computer is a host system name. Identify by, after identify by means called password. Clear? Next one, this is my second file. And third file is I granted all the privileges to this user. Grant all privileges on. After on what? Database name. What is my database name? My database name is called what? ex1. So in the ex1, what I want to do it? Actually I am doing here, I am granting all privilege, authorization to whom? To user 1. I am telling you can access my database. I am granting all the privileges. What is the privileges? Create privilege, update privilege, delete privilege, insert privilege, all privileges, drop privileges and all. So next one, this is user privilege. Step number 1, create database. Step number 2, create user. Step number 3, grant privileges. Step number 4, create the table. Here you see use ex1 means you are this database, you are creating this table. That's a problem. Which database I am creating? ex1. Creating table car. Already I shown the structure. Again I will explain. CID, that is car ID, integer auto increment. This is varchar. This is model is integer, price is integer, registration date and time. Default is what? Current timestamp. Primary key is CID, that is called my car ID is a primary key. Hope everyone understood. 4 steps are over. How I do this one? How I import all these things? Here you see. Here in this, here you can see import. No, click first database. Click first database. Import. Import all 4 files one by one. You see, importing into database ex1. Like that I imported. I created the car structure. This is a separate file I given. How to import and all. That is separate. Again I am telling in this tutorial, but this tutorial core is what is actually core is db connection. How I write code for this. That's a core one. Here you can see the db connection file. This is my db connection file. The db connection file, what I am saying is localhost. What is my localhost? Host name is localhost. My username is this. My password is what? Already you can see no here. Password is 123 username. This is what I given. This is ready-made code. Automatically you can use it. So the PDO, that is called PHP data object. MySQL host name is what? This is my localhost. Maybe you can type directly or through variable you are calling. Database name is what? ex1. My user and password. This is a parameter for this. The new. I am creating the connection string. Connected successfully. If it is connected successfully, you can see here. Connected successfully. It's coming. This information only coming. Suppose I am checking whether it is connectivity, there is no problem. So here it try catch. That's why I am missing. It is not there. Catch. It will do the error messages. Hope everyone understood. this 4 pointed I did it. Now important point is I want to insert the PHP. This is what I can include this db connection. I can run with any files, so that's why I included dbconnection.php, this file. This form, what I did was, previously I explained one more tutorial also, how to design the form design in using web expression. This is what my web expression here I created. Can you see this form I designed using web expression? Here you can see this one in the client side. So what I did was, here you can see here car name. By default input text is text data type, but in coding what you do is you change as number. Can you see here also changes number? This we did. Next one what we did is, I am checking the db connection and then I check add. Add is my button name. My submit button name is called what? Add. I check whether it is available. This is exist, is set. Then I am checking all or not empty, because not null I given, that's why I am checking it is not null. Then I am calling SQL this C1. I am connecting all the files, all the whatever the variable I am making as a what? T1, T2, T3 is nothing but what? My text box name. You see here name of the each input text box. So then after insert, mainly we see insert into car, this C name, this model, this price is not this variable name. This is and all called column name. Column name should be in the inserter. This is our column name. Can you see? This is my column name. Where is my table name? Create table. I'll show you create table. Can you see? C name, model, price. This only I am mentioning. I am not mentioning the variable. That is very important. Model name is a column name. And I do the connection prepare, execute the array. This Cn, what is the parameter value I am passing? This I am putting into T1, model and price. Data is inserted successfully. Suppose it is inserted in the database. So you can see here data inserted. Suppose I am not giving proper way. For example, you see another car also Ford I given. I integer I give it as Ford. Car name is called Ford Focus. Maybe I will give like this. It should not be not null. It should be, you should give the value, but I am not giving anything. Both I am registered here. Can you see? Please fill your form. This way message will come. That message only here you are seeing. Where is that message? Please fill it. Else it is not inserted because I am not giving proper data. Some data are required data I am not giving. That time it will give the else message. This is a very simple code. We did it. Clear or not? This is a way we should insert and connect the database. After this, the successfully, I said no, once it is connected successfully, for now I will give 4 to focus. Model number is maybe 2020. Maybe I say 1300. This what restore call. Clear, data inserted. Now I will go and see, check this one. My data, the core table. Can I see 4? You see here automatically coming. This is my message. Very neatly all the records are. Before I did AUDI, now I did. Previously I did these 2 records. Clear or not? If you want to delete, you can delete the records also like this. If you want to delete the record. This is also possible. Edit the records. You can edit the records. Everything is possible. How? Using db connection. Using db connection, how you can insert the record in MySQL. Before that, very important, the previous videos also I said, first you should connect what? Both server, web server, and then the MySQL also you should start. That is very important. This is what we learn. This coding and all in Google Drive is available. You can download from Google Drive all this coding. Complete package. Complete this bundle, not package. Complete this bundle. I will give it to you in the what? All files. I will give it to you in the Google Drive, so you can easily import whatever way, and you can check this is working, this program, so you can understand the coding also easily.